Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Demi Lovato's music video called Skyscraper. Now I think the music video is really nice, it sends a great message, and I just really loved her makeup in the video and I just wanted to recreate it for you all. Now before I start, I just wanted to point out the eyeshadows that I'm using in this video just so I don't have to hold up my palette multiple times. So the palette I'm using is the Naked palette from Urban Decay. Now I'm sure most of you, or if not all of you, have heard about this palette, and I'm sure some of you have it. And the eyeshadows from this palette I'm going to be using are Virgin, Naked, and Smog. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this look. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you all later. Bye! You want to start out this look with a shimmery, pearly base, so I'm going to be using Bare Steady Paint Pot from MAC. And of course, if you have oilier lids, you can use something like Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion or Too Faced Shadow Insurance, but this works just fine for me. So I'm applying it on the lid and all the way up to the crease. Next, I'm going to be taking the shade Virgin on my Sigma E55 brush and just patting that all over the lid and up to the brow bone. Next, I'm taking the shade Naked and just applying this straight to the crease, and this will add a little bit of definition but not be too harsh. The last step for the eyeshadow is to take a dark shimmering brown and apply it to the lower lash line. So I'm just going to take Smog and my MAC 209 brush and smudge that on the lower lash line like so. The last two steps for the eyes are to apply your eyeliner and mascara. And so the eyeliner that I'm going to be using is the Revlon Color Stay Eyeliner in brown. Now I think Demi had a black eyeliner on in the look, but I personally am just going to use brown just because it's less harsh on my skin tone. And then for mascara, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. So as far as I could tell, Demi wasn't wearing any blush in the video. She was just wearing a light bronzer. So I'm going to be taking my NARS Laguna bronzer with my Sigma F40 brush, and I'm going to apply that right under the cheekbones. Okay, now moving on to the lips, you could tell that she was wearing like a light peachy kind of coral lipstick, but she wasn't wearing any gloss. But her lipstick did have a pretty glossy finish, so I'm going to be using my YSL Rouge Volupte lipstick in number 26, and I think this is the perfect lipstick for this look, and I'm just going to apply that straight from the tube to my lips. Okay, so that's what the look should look like so far. So I hope you all enjoyed this look. I really enjoyed doing it and filming it for you guys. I really think the look turned out great. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye!